Achieving long-term sustainability with data and analytics.
Achieving long-term sustainability with data and analytics is becoming increasingly important for companies. In this article, I outline a step-by-step approach to help companies effectively integrate data and analytics into their sustainability efforts. The approach includes identifying and monitoring sustainability risks and opportunities, measuring and reporting sustainability performance, optimizing operations, developing sustainable products and services, and enhancing stakeholder engagement. By using data and analytics, companies can make more informed decisions and take targeted actions to improve their sustainability performance. This enables companies to demonstrate their sustainability efforts to stakeholders and improve their transparency. This article emphasizes the importance of having a robust data governance and management program to ensure that data is accurate, reliable, and can be used to make informed decisions. The business world is under increasing pressure to adopt sustainable practices. This is due to a number of factors, including the growing awareness of the negative environmental and social impact of business activities, the increasing cost of raw materials, and stricter regulations. As a result, companies are looking for ways to reduce their impact on the environment and improve their social and environmental performance. Data and analytics can play a key role in helping companies achieve sustainability. By collecting and analyzing data on company operations, businesses can identify areas where they can reduce their impact on the environment and improve their social and environmental performance. Data-driven decision-making can help companies optimize their operations, develop new sustainable products and services, and engage more effectively with stakeholders. Using data and analytics to support sustainability efforts presents both challenges and opportunities for businesses. One challenge is ensuring that data is accurate, reliable, and fit for purpose. This requires having a robust data governance program in place. Another challenge is integrating data from different sources, such as financial, operational, and environmental, into a cohesive picture that supports decision-making. The opportunity lies in being able to use data to gain insights that would not be possible without data. Insights that can help businesses improve their sustainability performance. Data and analytics can help businesses achieve sustainability in a number of ways. Data can be used to identify risks and opportunities related to sustainability. This information can then be used to make informed decisions about how to improve sustainability performance. Data can be used to measure and report on progress against sustainability goals. This information is important for demonstrating progress to stakeholders and for identifying areas where further improvements are needed. Data can be used to optimize company operations, with the aim of reducing environmental impact and improving social outcomes. The following is a step-by-step guide to help companies effectively integrate data and analytics into their sustainability efforts.
Identify and monitor sustainability risks and opportunities.
As sustainability becomes an increasingly important issue for companies, it is essential that they effectively integrate data and analytics into their efforts to manage risk and opportunity. Doing so enables companies to make more informed decisions, take targeted actions to improve performance, and ultimately achieve long-term sustainability. There are a number of reasons why it is important for companies to identify and monitor sustainability risks and opportunities. First, by understanding where potential risks and opportunities lie, companies can be better prepared to respond to them. Second, data-driven insights can help companies optimize their operations in order to reduce environmental impact or improve resource efficiency. Finally, effective risk management can help companies protect their reputation by avoiding or mitigating negative publicity associated with sustainability issues. There are a variety of data sources and analytics tools that can be used to identify and monitor risks and opportunities related to sustainability. Publicly available datasets can provide information on trends in emissions, resource consumption, or other indicators of environmental impact. Social media data can be used to track consumer sentiment around sustainability issues. And finally, enterprise data systems can be leveraged to measure internal performance on key metrics, such as greenhouse gas emissions or water consumption. In order to effectively use data and analytics for identifying and monitoring sustainability risks and opportunities, it is important to have a robust governance framework in place. This will ensure that data is accurate, reliable, and accessible to those who need it. It will also ensure that decision makers have the insights they need to make informed decisions about how best to manage risk and opportunity in the pursuit of long-term sustainability.
Measure and report sustainability performance.
Organizations are under pressure, like never before, to operate in a sustainable manner. In order to make informed decisions about how to best achieve long-term sustainability, it is essential to measure and report on progress. Data and analytics can play a vital role in this process by providing insights into where an organization is succeeding and where improvements need to be made. There are a variety of data and analytics tools that can be used to measure and report on sustainability performance. These include environmental reporting tools, which track an organization's emissions and resource consumption. Social impact assessment tools, which help organizations understand the social impacts of their operations. And life cycle assessment tools, which help organizations understand the full environmental impacts of their products and services. Data and analytics can also be used to track progress against specific sustainability goals. For example, an organization might use data analytics to monitor its water usage over time, or to track the carbon emissions reductions achieved through its energy efficiency initiatives. By measuring and reporting on progress against specific sustainability targets, organizations can ensure that they are constantly striving to improve their performance. There are many examples of real-world applications of data and analytics for measuring and reporting sustainability performance. One recent example is the Sustainability Consortium's Product Sustainability Index, PSI, which uses data and analytics to assess the sustainability of more than 70,000 products across 20 different industries. The PSI provides valuable insights into the sustainability of products, helping companies make informed decisions about which products are more sustainable than others. Another example is Walmart's Sustainability Index, which uses data from suppliers to rate products on their environmental impact. The index helps Walmart make purchasing decisions that consider both cost and environmental impact, ensuring that the company is constantly striving to reduce its environmental footprint. These are just two examples of how data and analytics are being used by leading companies to measure and report on their sustainability performance. As organizations increasingly recognize the importance of operating sustainably, it is likely that we will see even more innovative applications of data and analytics in this area in the future.
Optimize operations.
Achieving long-term sustainability is a complex challenge, one that requires companies to continuously monitor and adapt their operations. Data and analytics can play a vital role in optimizing operations for sustainability by helping companies identify risks and opportunities, measure performance, and take targeted actions to improve their sustainability performance. There are a variety of data and analytics tools that can be used to optimize operations for sustainability. These tools can help companies track and understand their energy use, water consumption, waste production, and emissions. They can also help companies understand the impact of their operations on the environment and local communities. In order to effectively use data and analytics to optimize their operations for sustainability, companies need to have a robust data governance framework in place. This framework should ensure that data is accurate, reliable, and that decision makers have the insights they need to make informed decisions. Leading companies are already using data and analytics to optimize their operations for sustainability. For example, IBM has developed a suite of software tools that helps companies track their environmental performance. These tools allow companies to set goals for reducing their environmental impact, track progress toward these goals, and identify opportunities for further improvement. Walmart has also used data and analytics to improve its sustainability performance. The company has developed a tool that helps store managers understand the impacts of their store's operations on the environment. This tool allows managers to make changes to improve the efficiency of their store's energy use, water consumption, and waste production.
Develop sustainable products and services.
The development of sustainable products and services is critical for companies looking to achieve long-term sustainability. By definition, sustainable development meets the needs of the present generation, without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In other words, it is about meeting the needs of people today, while also preserving the planet for future generations. There are a number of reasons why developing sustainable products and services is important for companies. First, it helps them reduce their environmental impact. Second, it helps them save money by using resources more efficiently. Third, it helps them tap into new markets for sustainable products and services. And fourth, it helps them build trust and credibility with stakeholders. Data and analytics tools can play a vital role in helping companies identify market trends and customer preferences for sustainable products and services. For example, data on customer search behavior can be used to identify which sustainability-related keywords are being used most frequently. This information can then be used to develop marketing campaigns around these keywords. Additionally, social media data can be used to track online conversations about sustainability-related topics. This information can help companies understand what issues are most important to customers when it comes to sustainability, and how they can position their products and services accordingly. There are a number of examples of how data and analytics are being used by companies to develop sustainable products and services. An example is how Walmart is using data to track its progress toward its goal of sourcing 100% renewable energy for its operations by 2025. The company has developed a renewable energy dashboard that tracks the percentage of renewable energy sourced from each country in which it operates. The dashboard also tracks emissions reductions achieved through Walmart's renewable energy initiatives. This information helps Walmart set goals, track progress, and make decisions about where to invest in renewable energy projects going forward. Similarly, Coca-Cola is using data to develop more sustainable packaging for its products. For example, the company has set a goal to collect and recycle a bottle or can for every one it sells by 2030. To achieve this goal, Coca-Cola is using data to track the collection and recycling rates of its packaging, identify areas where the rates are low, and focus its efforts on improving collection and recycling in those areas. The company is also using data to develop more sustainable packaging materials and designs that use fewer resources and have a smaller environmental footprint. Engaging with stakeholders is essential for companies looking to achieve long-term sustainability. Stakeholder engagement helps companies to understand the issues that matter most to their stakeholders and identify opportunities to create shared value. Data and analytics tools can play a vital role in helping companies engage with their stakeholders. There are a number of examples of how data and analytics are being used by companies to engage with their stakeholders. The use of data and analytics tools can help companies identify the issues that matter most to their stakeholders. For example, social media listening tools can be used to track online conversations and identify topics of interest. This information can be used to inform stakeholder engagement strategies. Data and analytics tools can also be used to measure the impact of stakeholder engagement activities. For example, surveys can be used to collect feedback from stakeholders on their experience of interacting with a company. This information can be used to improve the effectiveness of future engagement activities. Leading companies are already using data and analytics to engage with their stakeholders more effectively. By doing so, they are able to create more value for all parties involved. In conclusion, as businesses strive to become more sustainable, data and analytics are playing an increasingly important role. By using data and analytics, companies can make more informed decisions and take targeted actions to improve their sustainability performance. This enables companies to demonstrate their sustainability efforts to stakeholders and improve their transparency. However, data and analytics can only be used effectively if companies have a robust data governance and management program in place. This program should ensure that data is accurate, reliable, and can be used to make informed decisions.